Tracking attendance at meetings and trainings is extremely important in the healthcare industry. However, implementing new systems can be both time-consuming and expensive. One major metropolitan children's hospital needed a way to track their employees' attendance without interruptions to their internal processes. The problem was that they often ran multiple trainings at a time. So how can you make sure to track the location, time, and attendance at each of these trainings simultaneously? Cloud in Hand Mobile Grid enabled this healthcare organization to use their existing data to create employee in session lists. Using FTP servers, one of the many Cloud in Hand integrations available, this healthcare organization used their access control system to seamlessly update their records on Cloud in Hand. At each training, the manager would open the app, select a class from the list, and then the employee would tap their RFID-enabled employee badge to the IDChamp RS3 reader and quickly record their attendance in the iPad. Data would then sync with a private cloud server and instantly deliver reports to the HR team. Interested in attendance solutions for iOS? Have an access control system and want to use it to take attendance at remote locations? Find out how Cloud in Hand can drastically save your organization time and money by giving us a call or leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching.